Hi, Jacob from Toddle. We had a question about how do I add a script tag to the head section of my Toddle application. This is new. We actually implemented a new way to do this. So generally in Toddle, you're working with visible elements or something in the body. So in a page, for example, your first element is actually inserted straight into the body. You can add scripts here, but it will be part of your body section, and scripts in the body and head act a little bit differently. That when a browser reaches a script tag, it generally blocks the page unless it has a special attribute to say that it should be asynchronous. Otherwise, it will block it. So if you add a script to the head, what happens is the browser reaches the script and then it starts loading it. And while it loads and compiles it, then the browser basically freezes. Your page doesn't load until it's done. So it's generally considered bad practice to load things in the head, at least synchronously. So that's why in Toddle we haven't really pushed towards this, but we want to make sure that you can build any application in Toddle. So if you rely on some third party that in the documentation says you have to put it into the head and it has to be synchronous, it has to be blocking, then we want to allow you to do this, even though we hit a little bit away. Yes. So on pages, you have this page section, and you might have been in here before. This is where you can set URL, which URL should point to this page. And you also use this to set, for example, the document title. So this is what will show up in the tab on your browser. It's part of the head. It's something you technically see in the browser tab, but otherwise, meta tags here is used for just for search engines and maybe social media if you share your page. It's just information it's like headers. So nothing you will see as a user, but something that machines can use to get some more meta information about your page. Anyways, we added this new external resource section, and in here you can now add scripts and links. Links are usually used for style sheet. You can use for other things as well, and scripts is for scripts you want to run. So you can add any attribute here. Again, in head, I would suggest you add a asynchronous attribute so it doesn't block. But your third party that you're trying to use, if they say you have to put in head, it's probably because they want it to be blocking. So they have complete control before anything is rendered on your page. This is usually if it's tracking or a payment system, something like that. In my case, I'm just putting in this testing here, just to see that something is loading, something called confetti. If I click done here, we can go preview this. And let's open the console element. Oh, let me move myself out of the way here. Oh, yeah. And let's check our head and see if there's something there. Yes, we have it here. So this is what I pasted in before. It's in the head, which means it loads before anything in the body is being loaded. So let's test it's actually working. Oh, it's called confetti. And aha, it works. Success. So again, use this sparingly. We don't suggest you add too many scripts to the head, at least not if they're blocking. But now it's there, and now you know about it, and hopefully this will make the last few third parties work with Toddle as well. Okay, hope you enjoy this. Thank you.